How to use Snovio review properly. Beginner mistakes that cost you. Snovio is a popular email outreach and lead generation tool, but beginners often misuse it, costing themselves time and effectiveness. Here's how to get the most out of Snovio. The first mistake is ignoring the onboarding tutorials. Most people get this wrong by jumping straight into searching for leads without learning how to verify emails or set up drip campaigns. Snovio offers guided tutorials that make setup faster and reduce errors. Second mistake, skipping email verification. You won't believe how many users send emails to unverified addresses. Snovio's verification feature prevents bounce backs and protects your sender reputation, which is crucial for maintaining high deliverability rates. Third mistake, not segmenting leads. The surprising truth is that sending generic emails to all contacts drastically reduces response rates. Beginners often fail to categorize leads by industry, role, or engagement level. Using proper segmentation increases replies and conversion rates. Fourth mistake, overusing free credits too quickly. Snovio limits free searches and email verifications per month. Reviews often highlight beginner exhausting credits on unnecessary leads instead of prioritizing high-value prospects. Finally, failing to monitor campaign performance is common. Snovio provides analytics on open rates, clicks, and replies. Regularly reviewing this data allows you to optimize subject lines, email content, and timing for better results. Using Snovio properly means learning the platform, verifying emails, segmenting leads, managing credits efficiently, and analyzing campaigns. Avoid these beginner mistakes to save time, improve engagement, and get measurable results from your outreach efforts.